Today I'm making a Valentine themed garland to hang over my island in the kitchen. You saw a few months back when I did a bat themed garland over the counter for Halloween, and then together we made a Christmas themed one. Absolutely loved it. And now we're going to do Valentine's. I'm super excited. I love Valentine's. So to get started, we're going to tie fishing line to each of our ornaments that we purchased. And I'm going to leave quite a bit extra on each one so that we have the control of how long or short we want them to hang. And I definitely learned a big lesson last time with the Christmas garland we did together. Originally I cut and tied all of the little ornaments and trinkets that I wanted all out on the table first, and that was not the best idea because once I hung it I realized some were too tall, some were too short. So the best idea is to hang the garland first and then climb up and hang each of these individually. So that is what we're going to do for this Valentine edition. Just like that. Can I hypnotize you? Subscribe to my channel. That doesn't work, huh? It was worth a try though. Oh. Okay, more to do here. I think I feel a little someone under the table. Ah! Is it a tickle Valentine monster? Did you see me crafting and want to help?
Yeah, I love crafting.
Okay.
This cheer.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so I'm peeling the little back off of this.
Okay.
But then you have to be really careful because you see this honeycomb paper. If you stick your fingers in it too hard, you'll break it. So you want to gently take the one side and pull it to the other. Let it spread out. You can stick your finger in gently in one of the holes that are close to the edge. And then you just pinch until it sticks together. And you're all done. You can do the next
The
one.
white thing's supposed to come off?
Oh, yes. You gotta pull the little double-sided tape. Yeah. Just peel the little, the backing. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Not that. This.
Oh, I don't have.
Other side. There you go. So I see it's like a sticker. Peel that off. Now that's sticky.
This is easy. This is a fun thing that you and your mommy can do at home. And
You think everybody else should do it with their kids too?
yeah.
Maybe grandkids as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cousins.
You think Mimi and Gigi would like doing this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because Mimi loves shopping.
Mimi does love shopping. I wonder where I get it from. Mimi is my mom, and my mom's mom is around as well, and she lives not far from us, but she also lives in Florida too, right?
Yeah, I love
Gigi. The kids call her Gigi, but she's my grandma. And she is amazing. She likes to dance and can get down on the floor and play with the kids and all those things, right?
She's a really fun person to be with.
Yeah, you love Gigi.
Yeah.
And Mimi too, right?
Yeah, I love both. Even Papa.
And Papa. Papa's the best.
Yeah, he always helps us when there's a problem.
Yeah, that's what grandparents are for.
Yeah, but it's actually about love.
It is about love, yeah.
See, that's why we celebrate.
Ooh, Valentine's Day, yeah. It's a great time to be able to tell somebody you love them with a cute little chocolate or a handwritten note.
Or a basket full of stuff.
A basket full of stuff. What?
Yeah.
That sounds pretty extravagant. Who are you going to give a basket full of stuff to?
Gianna.
Gianna? Okay. Gianna's her best friend. Yep. Okay.
Olivia, Mila.
Oh yeah, all your friends. I think that this is the last one, honey. That's a red one. We'll use the red ones in another spot. I think I'm going to do more red Valentine themed in this room, the dining room, and I'm gonna do more pink in the kitchen. And of course we're having a party. I mean, when do I not have a party, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a party for our friends and our mommy friends too. Everybody's gonna come over to our house. We'll exchange Valentines, have some little treats.
Yeah, we'll probably make Valentine cookies.
Play some games. I found really cute things at the dollar store for the kids. So a little craft, it's adorable. And then we have slime and little paddle boards with the ball. So one of the games we're gonna play is Bozo Buckets.
Bozo bucket?
Yeah, and then you get to take something from each bucket that you get.
Yeah, so you gotta fill them. I'll tell you how to play. So you have like 4 3 buckets, and you put numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and you could and then you fold the ball, and there's candy or something in there, and then you get the thing.
To pick one from that bucket.
I think the little kids are gonna get 2 or 1.
Everybody will get one of everything.
Yeah.
Angelina will help make sure that they each get to throw in the bucket. Maybe you can help them throw it, some of the little ones.
Okay, like
I love you.
Love you too.
Okay. Do you think we should start putting these hearts up on our garland?
Sure.
Do you think it's time?
Sure.
I think it's time. Okay, let's do it. Okay, my friends, now it is time to start hanging our garland. We are going to put it on the 5 hooks we have up here. The tricky part is knowing exactly how much space in between each loop. So bear with me as we work on this. Okay, helper, I'm gonna need you to hand me the hearts when it's time. Here, I'm gonna put these in our flowers. They're just so cute. with the bigger ones first.
Yeah, because I'm the chair and passing the hearts. Horses.
Okay, well that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me make our Valentine's themed garland and all the little tips and tricks along the way. And I hope that you are getting ready for Valentine's Day yourself. It's fun to look forward to the holidays that come up. Keeps us going, keeps us rocking, keeps us moving. I've always been a super themed person, so I really enjoy looking forward to the next holiday. And you'll watch along the way and find out that every next holiday is my favorite holiday. That's just how I roll. The next one is always my favorite because the best is yet to come, right? We have to believe in that, or what is life worth, right? So anyway, thank you so much for coming along with me today. Thank you so much for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing. I never dreamed that this many of you would enjoy my show, and I really appreciate that. We like sharing our life with you, and we like showing you how we do things, and I love to hear your take on how you do things. And the comments have been so fun to see all of you from all over the world watching. It's really awesome how we can be connected in this way. So thank you again, and I hope that you have a great week, and I will see you next time on Sheena's Homestead. Bye, friends.